Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Instant Pot pressure cooker. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a light review about this product. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when to be notified I do videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. So this is a 7-in-1 pressure cooker. It makes a great gift and you could do a lot of different stuff with it. Just to name a few, this one could also saute. You can also do keep warm, or you also could do slow cook, or you could do fast cook as well too, and plus a lot of other stuff in between. So you could cook things with less time and the thing tastes better. So that's the hot thing out there. This is one of those hot selling items out there, and then you can see it in different stores. This one's an 8-quart one I have right here. It's very hard to find. Most of the ones I see is only 6-quart, and the 6-quart one works just as well. It just like you have less space it was inside, I guess, right? So in this one in particular, you will notice that there are different menus also included in the packaging as well. Once you look at this box over here, there's like the lid, which is really high quality. You got the pot inside, the stainless steel cooking pot, and you also got the container as well, plus a few other accessories. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. The things I like about this one, it saves you a lot of time, you know, and my wife loves it a lot. You save time and you get the same quality or even better quality in cooking. The downside is probably it does cost a little bit more than the other pressure cookers out there, and this is one of the most famous one, the pressure instant pot. You know. A little bit on the menu over here. There's not a lot of things special over here. It tells you a lot of accessories. There's a recipe book and there's a manual. Of course, you want to register this thing as well too. So over here, you'll probably notice that it's a user manual in the front over here, and you could probably it's a good idea to take some time to read it. So pressure cooker has really evolved, and this is not the first year I had it. I actually had this one for over a year. I decided finally to post this video to help other people out and see what can they give for the holidays, I guess, right? There's also a lot of warning you probably want to read through carefully before you use this product. So look, it's really a good quality pressure cooker. It's not one of those cheap ones, all right? So seriously, this is a great product, and reduce the time to cook, live more healthy, eat more healthy, and also reduce the effort to cook as well too. So the trend is basically moving towards more of the pressure cooker environment and having better food in less time, and also saves more energy, I guess. Easier to clean up, right? So before pressure cooking, ensure the steam release handle is etc., right? So you want to read that. You can cook soup, rice, multigrain, meat, beans, porridge, steam, poultry, slow cook, pressure level. There's a button for that. Keep warm. There's a button for that. Yogurt, pressure cook, delay start, saute, and you can adjust all those things. It tells you the pressure, and you can set the time as well. So what I like is it's very simple to use. My wife loves it, and it saves you a lot of time. And this is stainless steel. It's not one of those cheap stuff. You don't want to buy cheap stuff. So when you get inside, you get this nice accessory thing. You also get the nice, looks like a spoon. And of course, there's a lot of warning all over this thing. I advise anybody to purchasing this thing to spend the time, give it a time to read it over, understand the product, and see if this is for you. Cleanup is easy. Stainless steel pot. The bottom is actually non-stick. You probably noticed that over there. It does plug in the outlet, of course, and it's a 3-plug outlet, 3-prong. So there's a ground. Okay, so keep that in mind. Just to close it, just twist it. Simple to close. And there you have it. That's the Instant Pot. I didn't do a cooking review. If I get more than 30 likes, I will do the next cooking review. Next 30 likes. Has to be in for our next 2 weeks. If not, then I won't proceed with the next video. Because there's a lot of interest, and definitely I will do a recipe or something to show you how it's been working. But this is just an unboxing review of the product. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.